Hi guys, this is Umo and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you a delicious Guinean recipe called Fouti or Lafidi that I'm going to change a bit to make it even more delicious. So in a pot, I'm going to add some water with few okras and some garden eggs if you can get. If you can't get these garden egg, use some regular eggplant. Add some hot peppers to your own taste. Add some salt and let it cook. Meanwhile, add your cooked vegetable in the mortar and pestle and pound well, like the okras, the garden eggs, and the hot peppers. Mix everything well. Add some salt and cube or sumbara if that's what you like. Mix everything together and remove and reserve. And guys, if you love my recipe, please give me a thumbs up now. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now for more delicious African recipes. Now the next step is optional, but I like it. If you can get some sorrel leaf, cook it with a little bit of water. And once done, pound with some salt. Now if you can't get some sorrel leaf, replace it with some lime or lemon. Now I'm going to serve my Fouti with some fish. So I have my fresh fish here, which I'm going to salt and fry until brown. Then remove and reserve. Note that you can use any type of fish for this recipe. Now slice one onion. Once you are done with the onions, add it in the oil and stir fry for a few minutes. Then add in the African spice called sumbara or oji. If you eat cubes, add some or use just salt. Add a little bit of water. Reduce the heat and let the onions cook. Now pound some crayfish or dried shrimp or use the powder if that's what you have. Add half tablespoon in the onions. Now return the fish in the onions with a bit of water and cook until the liquid is completely absorbed. If you can get this dried fish called bonga, pound it or use the powder if that's what you get. Now wash the rice. I use local brown rice for this recipe, but you can use any type of rice you have. Add the rice in the pot with water and some salt. Cover and let it cook. Now I'm going to mix together the crayfish powder, the dried bonga powder, some sumbara, and salt or cubes. And add that mixture in your rice once it's almost done. Let it cook for a few minutes and mix well with the rice. Serve your rice with the okra mixture. Add the fried fish and the onion sauce. Add in the sumbara spice. Now add the sorrel or the lime juice if that's what you have. Add some hot peppers to your own taste and enjoy. So that's all for this recipe, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.